Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video that I've never done before. It's a Gundam unboxing slash build. So it's from Amazon. It's right here. But without further talking, let's open this package. Alright, here it is. It's the Justice Gundam from Amazon. This is the package. And then I'll show you guys what's inside. We'll start the build in my house. Alright guys, I'm gonna start the build now and I'll update you guys when I finish some progress and show you what I've done. So this is all the stuff. This is the instruction manual and the parts. The box right here. I also need to get some tools to cut and sand it down. So let's begin. Alright guys, this is the progress we have right now. The legs and a bit of the body right here. We still have a lot to go. It's like, look at all the parts and pieces. I'll continue updating you guys as soon as I finish the body. Alright guys, this is the head of the Gundam. It's so tiny and I'm gonna put it on the body soon after I'm done building it. Yep, it's gonna go right there. I'm basically done building the whole Gundam, but I still need to make the backpack part. Alright guys, this is all I have for today, and I'll continue the build tomorrow. I still have a lot to go. Alright guys, we're finally done the build and it's time for some cinematics.